In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Paystack to Kartra using CheckoutJoy to sell your courses on Kartra in Rands. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Paystack to your Kartra website using CheckoutJoy. We're going to create a checkout widget in CheckoutJoy and embed it on a landing page in Kartra, which will create a checkout pop-up right on your landing page in Kartra. At the end, we'll do a full end-to-end demo so that you can see how it looks to the customer and also what happens behind the scenes in your Kartra account and in your Paystack account. So let's get going. All right, let's connect Kartra and CheckoutJoy. So in your CheckoutJoy account, on your dashboard, you go to Settings and Integrations. And there's an option for Kartra there. You select that, and there you'll see you need your API key and API password. So that is in your Kartra dashboard. So I'm going to head over to my Kartra dashboard here. And if you go in the main menu to Integrations, hit this screen, and there's a little menu there called API, and you want to go to the My API section. So I click on My API, and it takes me to your inbound API section, which is your API key and your password. And these are the two values that you need to enter in CheckoutJoy. So I'm just gonna double click there, hit Control C or Command C to copy, head to Kartra and paste. All right, that's the API key. Do the same for the password. I'm gonna copy, go to CheckoutJoy and paste and save. And that's it. All right, so Kartra is now connected to CheckoutJoy, and you can continue to set up your products and the tags required to do the checkouts. All right, let's get cracking. I'm in my Kartra account here, and I have a membership here called Fitness Membership, and this is the product that we're going to use on checkout. So the two things you need to do in Kartra is set up a tag and set up an automation that when a customer is assigned that tag to give them the product that they've purchased. So we're going to use this membership as the demo product. There's no pricing set in Kartra in my case because it doesn't matter because we'll set the price in CheckoutJoy. All right, so to set up the tag, you go to Communications, and under Leads, there's a sub-menu called Tags. So we're going to create a new tag here, and we're going to call it Fitness Membership Purchased. All right, and the description can be anything: purchased in CheckoutJoy, no category, fitness membership purchased. So what we're going to do is set up an automation so that when a customer is given this tag, Kartra will assign them or give them access to the product underlying. All right, so we've got a tag here, fitness membership purchased, and to set up the automation, you hover over the Communications tab there, and there's advanced automations. That's where you need to go. All right, and we create a new automation, and you get this screen. So if then, under if lead is assigned a tag, it's easy. We don't have a category, but let's select no category, and the tag is fitness membership purchased. You can use the other one as well, it makes more sense. Fitness membership purchased, and you click add. All right, so if a lead is assigned fitness membership, then pretty easy. It would be grant access to membership. There you go. The membership is fitness, and the access level is standard. Okay, the cool thing with this automation is if you need to subscribe them to a list or anything, then you can create different automations for that as well. Okay, let's save. And that's it. That is your Kartra setup that's required. So to summarize, we've got a membership on checkout. If they complete checkout, the lead will be created in Kartra, and they will be assigned a tag, and that will kick off this automation that says that if a lead is assigned this tag, then grant them membership access to the membership. Easy as that. Okay, so let's set up a product in CheckoutJoy, and this product will be linked to your membership in Kartra, so that when people purchase this product on our checkouts, they will be automatically given access to your membership. All right, so in your CheckoutJoy dashboard, you head over to Products, and you select Add Product, and you'll see there's an option to add a Kartra product. Select that one. So here you will just do the normal things. We'll give it a name. We'll call it Fitness Membership. And the Kartra activation tag is the one that we've just created in Kartra. So this is obviously that when this product is purchased, the customer will be tagged with this tag, and this will trigger the automation on Kartra's side to give them access to the product. And the rest is just the pricing. So because we're going to use Paystack, we're going to sell this in Rands. So I'm going to select Rands. This is a recurring subscription for a membership, and we're going to make it $999, almost 1,000 Rands. That's a nice price. Monthly subscription. There we go. Okay, the thank you page redirect. It's optional here because we're going to set it up in the checkout widget. All right, I'm going to create. Click Save, and this will create the product. And that's it. So now we can go ahead and create the checkouts to sell this product on Kartra. All right, so let's go ahead and create a checkout. So in your CheckoutJoy dashboard under checkouts, you'll see there are a few options: storefronts, pages, and widgets. For this demo, we're going to create a checkout widget, which is a little checkout snippet that you put on your Kartra website. So the checkout will happen directly in Kartra, so they never have to leave your website. All right, so I'm going to select widgets under checkouts. I'm going to create a new widget. And now I can go on and complete the setup. So let's call this one Fitness Membership Checkout. All right. Which product are you selling? This is the one that we've just created. Fitness Membership subscription for 999 Rands per month. So multiple currencies is a great feature if you sell to an international crowd. So you can enable currencies like US dollar and euros and everything, and the checkout will convert the currency to the customer's local currency, or they can select which currency they want to see. In this case, because we're using Paystack as a payment processor, we can only process payments in Rands. Customers can still view the price in their local currency, but the ultimate, at the end of the day, they will have to pay 999 Rands. That's just the way things are for Paystack and South Africa. So for now, I'm going to leave this feature disabled, and we're going to carry on. Coupons, that's self. If you want to use coupons, you just enable that switch. And now the thank you page URL. This is where the customer will be taken after checkout is completed. So this will be a page on your Kartra website, like a thank you page, a custom one, or the default thank you page of Kartra. And it's going to be like the classic, thank you for your purchase, please check your emails, that type of thing. All right, so I don't have one currently, so I'm just going to make it our homepage, and there you go. If you want to add order bumps, this will be the place where you add it. You can add any product to the cart. It's a great way to bump your cart value. For this demo, I'm not going to enable it. So let's head on to payment methods. Okay, so under payment methods, it will list all the payment processes that you have enabled for your account. And here you can select which payment method should be available to the customer on your widget. So I'm just going to enable the Paystack one. There you go. You don't need to add any of the text because there's only going to be the Paystack button on the checkout. So we can save and continue. Form fields would be, if you want to customize the form fields that you ask for from the customer at checkout, this would be the place to do it. You can add billing address, shipping address, any custom field that you want, drop downs or anything. This is also where you can edit your terms and conditions. You can add your link to your website, whatever the case. I'm going to leave everything as is. Language is the same concept. You can edit any of the labels of the widget, so you can change the language of the widget essentially if you have like a language specific website. I'm going to leave this for now. This is where you select how the widget behaves on the page. So you can either have the widget inline, so it will render on the page itself. as part of your page, or you can select the pop-up option, which is will display the widget as a pop-up when someone clicks a button. So in this demo, we're going to do the pop-up button. So it looks pretty nice on the Kartra website. You'll see we'll create a page on Kartra, and the enroll now button or the call to action button in Kartra will display the checkout pop-up. It's going to look pretty cool. So there's a few things that we need to configure, but we'll come back to this section once we have our Kartra page up and running, so that we know which buttons to trigger and what's going on. Okay, so I'm going to leave this for now. Let's save it. All right, so the last tab is the Embed tab, and here you'll find the code snippet that you need to add your widget to your Kartra page. So you can see there's a Kartra section there, and all you need to do is copy that page. So click that button, you copy this code snippet, and you paste that in your page. I'll show you how to do it right now. Let's have a look. All right, so let's look at adding this checkout to a page in Kartra. So in my Kartra dashboard, I've created a page. This is a fitness themed page that I've used, just one of the default templates of Kartra. You can add this widget to any section or any page in Kartra, anywhere where you can add a custom code section or edit the custom code. All right, so what we want to do is use this button as a call to action button, so that when a customer clicks that button, our checkout widget displays and they can quickly complete the checkout. So what we need to do is use the button text, which is enroll now, and configure our widget to trigger when a button that has the enroll now text is clicked. So that's pretty easy to do. We're going to head over to CheckoutJoy, and where we're editing our widget still, and we're going to go to appearance, and now we're going to configure the pop-up section so that it triggers when someone clicks an enroll now button. All right, so pop-up trigger. Important to use the option to say that use an existing element on the page, because we're going to use this existing button that is on the page already. All right. So next up, we configure the button selector, and this is how the widget knows which button is being clicked. There are a few options. In Kartra, we can't use the HTML ID tag because Kartra doesn't give you the option to set a tag. So what we're going to do is use the button text. So this button has the text enroll now, which is pretty nice. We're going to leave it as that. So we're just going to enter enroll now. That's all you need to do. So we're going to save that, and we can now actually go ahead and preview our page. All right, so now we've saved the widget. We need to now add the code snippet to Kartra so that the widget is embedded on the page. So we head over to the Embed tab, and you click on the Kartra section, and we need to add this code section to that page. So I'm going to click copy, head over to Kartra, and now for this section, you only need this widget once on the page. So I'm going to put it in the header section. In Kartra, you see this gear icon on the right. Click on that, and that gives you the option, the third option, which is edit source code. So that will open up this screen. So don't be alarmed by all the gibberish. All you need to do is paste that code snippet that we copied right at the top. That's all you need to do. You click on save, and that is it. So now your widget is embedded in the background of this page, and if anyone clicks on the enroll now button, your widget will display. So if I click here, boom, there you go. That's your checkout widget for $9.99. Everything else. How awesome is that? Okay, let's do a quick demo. So I'm on the preview page, and let's complete a checkout and see how it goes. So I click the button. I'm gonna do just the unique email. All right, let's continue to payment. So I've got my Paystack test account connected to my CheckoutJoy profile, which means this is just a payment simulation. If you have your live account connected, you will see credit card details there. All right, simulate a successful payment. There you go. So payment was successful. I've been redirected to the thank you page, which we've configured earlier as our home page, and everything is done. So let's have a look in Kartra. Under leads, there you see the user that was just created, and a tag that was assigned, fitness member purchased, And under memberships, you'll see I am now subscribed to the fitness membership, standard level, everything as expected. And under Paystack, you'll see the transaction there. Measuring demo for $9.99. Awesome. So that's it for this demo. I hope you enjoyed it, and good luck setting up your Kartra and Paystack. And that's it for our demo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Check out the links in the description. You can also contact us, email us at support@checkoutjoy.com. Hope to hear from you soon.